Let's talk about tangent today, right? We're going to discuss whether tangent is even or odd or anything else. And we're going to talk about tangent of sum and tangent of difference. All right. First, we're going to talk about tangent of minus x, right? So first of all, like whenever we deal with tangent, we need to remember by definition, tangent is the ratio of sine over cosine. So tangent of minus x is sine of minus x divided by cosine of minus x. The next thing we need to remember that cosine is even function, so it doesn't care if there's x or minus x. It's same thing, same answer. And sine is odd function, where minus can easily be pulled out from the sum. Okay? So then we're going to just substitute those formulas in the formula for tangent of minus x right here. And this is what we're going to get. So what we see here is sine x over cosine x, which is tangent. So it means that tangent of minus x is minus tangent x, which means the tangent, same way as sine, is odd function. All right. Once we establish that, let's move on. And let's look at tangent of the sum of two angles. Again, by definition, tangent is sine over cosine. We take sine x plus y divided by cosine of x plus y. Now we remember our formulas for sine of the sum and cosine of the sum. If we plug those formulas, this is what we're going to get. What you see in numerator, this part, is really sine of x plus y. What you see in denominator is cosine of x plus y. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to divide both numerator and denominator by cosine x times cosine y. Basically divide by this. Okay? This is what's going to happen. And what we'll notice is there are certain things that can be cancelled, which is both in numerator and denominator. Some cosines, cosines x, cosines y's. And the next thing we should notice is what's left is sine x over cosine x, and which is tangent x, and sine y over cosine y, which is tangent y. So if we cancel whatever we need to cancel and replace sines over cosines with tangents, we're going to get the formula we are looking for. Okay? Tangent of x plus y is tangent x plus tangent y divided by 1 minus tangent x times tangent y. All right. So now let's rewrite the formulas we just got. And now let's discuss tangent of the difference. And as before, as we talk, we discuss it with sines, with cosines, x minus y, if you notice that x minus y is x plus minus y. By doing this, we can replace the tangent of the difference with tangent of the sum. And we can use the formula sitting here above. The only thing we need to do, we need to replace y with minus y. Okay, and if you do this, that's what's going to happen. We start getting tangent of minus y, and now we just need to look at this formula we derived earlier. Notice the tangent as sine is odd function. And this minus that pulls out here, basically what it's going to do is going to change the signs in this formula. So this plus become minus and this minus is going to become plus. And here's our final formula. Okay? So we did what we wanted to do today. We found out that tangent is odd function. We also derived formulas for tangent of the sum and tangent of the difference.